Hello, I am Amina, and I'm passionate about helping you achieve your best self through health, beauty, and wellness tips. Hormonal hair loss is more common than you think and often stems from changes in estrogen, progesterone, or androgens like DHT. While this can feel frustrating, the good news is that there are natural ways to manage it effectively, no harsh chemicals needed. Let's dive in. Secret number 1. Balance your diet for hair health. What you eat plays a massive role in your hair's health. Nutrient deficiencies can weaken hair follicles, making hormonal hair loss worse. Prioritize foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, zinc, biotin, and protein. Why? These nutrients promote stronger, healthier hair growth. For example, salmon and walnuts are excellent sources of omega-3s, while eggs and spinach are packed with biotin and protein. Don't forget zinc-rich foods like pumpkin seeds. They can help repair hair follicles and promote regrowth. To supercharge your diet, consider smoothies packed with collagen powder and greens. It's an easy, delicious way to nourish your hair from within. Secret number 2. Adaptogenic herbs. Adaptogens are nature's gift for balancing hormones. Two powerful herbs to consider are ashwagandha and saw palmetto. Ashwagandha reduces cortisol levels, which can help with stress-related hair loss. Saw palmetto, on the other hand, blocks the conversion of testosterone to DHT, the hormone responsible for shrinking hair follicles. You can take these herbs as supplements, but you can also find shampoos or serums infused with saw palmetto for a topical boost. Just make sure to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen. Secret number 3. Essential oils for scalp massage. Scalp massages don't just feel amazing. They're also great for stimulating blood flow to your hair follicles, which promotes growth. Essential oils like rosemary and peppermint have been shown in studies to improve hair density and regrowth. Mix 3-5 drops of your chosen essential oil with a carrier oil, like coconut or jojoba oil. Warm the mixture slightly and gently massage your scalp for 5-10 minutes. Doing this 2-3 times a week can make a noticeable difference over time. Here's a pro tip. Flip your head upside down while massaging for a minute or two to boost circulation even further. Secret number 4. Stress management. Did you know that chronic stress can wreak havoc on your hormones and accelerate hair loss? High stress levels increase cortisol, which disrupts the delicate balance of estrogen and progesterone in your body. Simple stress relief practices like meditation, yoga, or even a daily 15-minute walk can make a significant impact. You can also try journaling or listening to calming music as part of your evening routine. Over time, these habits help your body, and your hair, recover from hormonal imbalances. If you're short on time, practice the 4-7-8 breathing technique. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 7 seconds, and exhale for 8 seconds. It's quick, calming, and effective. Secret number 5. Natural supplements. Supplements can fill the gaps in your diet and provide targeted support for hair growth. Biotin, also known as vitamin B7, strengthens hair strands, while collagen improves elasticity and fights breakage. MSM, a sulfur-rich compound, is great for promoting hair thickness and growth. Another powerful supplement is evening primrose oil, which balances hormones and reduces inflammation that contributes to hair loss. Look for supplements that combine multiple ingredients for a well-rounded approach. You'll find links to some of my favorite, trusted supplements in the description below. Make sure to check them out. Secret number 6. Avoid hormone disruptors. Many everyday products can unknowingly disrupt your hormones and worsen hair loss. Common culprits include shampoos with sulfates, plastics containing BPA, and processed foods filled with additives and sugar. Switch to sulfate-free shampoos and conditioners, and look for organic, plant-based ingredients. Similarly, try to minimize processed foods and opt for whole, nutrient-dense options like fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins. Small lifestyle changes like these can have a huge impact. Which of these secrets are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your experiences and help you further. For more details and product recommendations, be sure to read the full article linked in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on tips to look and feel your best. Remember, hormonal hair loss isn't the end of your hair journey. It's just the beginning of a new, healthier routine. With these natural remedies, you can regain control and confidence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.